Good morning to all. I am Terian. I am studying PKG. I am going to speak about Kamarajar. Today, Kamarajar. 121.
Birthday.
He was born on 15 July.
He was the
He was the
CM of
CM of
Tamil Nadu
Tamil Nadu
for
for
9 years.
in 9 years.
He
He
introduced
introduced
midday meal
me
for
the
poor children.
Uber Chennai.
Thank you.
Thank you.